All right, YouTube, check it out. I was here at the shop chilling. I just got a package in from Stylecraft and Gamma. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what comes in the box. So let's go ahead and get to it. I think I know what it is. I've seen some posts of this online, so we're gonna see if it is what I think it is. Got this box almost all the way opened up. Y'all ready for this? Just what I thought it was, the Xceed, baby. We got the Xceed in, the patented Into Vector Motor Shaver. So we're gonna have a shaver. We got the Xceed patented Into Vector Motor Clipper, and then we're gonna have the Gamma Plus Xceed patented Into Vector Motor Trimmer. Let's go ahead and get into these boxes so we can see how them things looking. Check it out, man. First thing is first, as y'all can see, we have the shaver right here, professional shaver with Into Vector Motor. Intuitive torque control idles at 85,000 and speeds up to 11,500 RPM to adjust for resistance. Ultra thin double gold titanium foils, full metal housing, lithium ion battery, delivers 2 hours of cordless runtime. So we got 2 hours of runtime on the shaver. Let's go ahead and open this thing up real quick. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, man. You know, I don't like my videos to be too long unless I'm giving y'all a review. And I just wanna give y'all a quick little unboxing real quick. So check it out. That's the box. That's how this thing looks. We're gonna open that up. Check that out right there. We got the new Xceed shaver. I'm gonna take this out of here. All right, we got the shaver right here. As y'all can see, we're gonna take it out the plastic wrap. We got a little lid on there. We're gonna pop off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on for y'all. Excited to see how this thing sounds. So we got the on switch on this side. So this thing sounds good, man. Sounds powerful. Y'all check that out once again. The Xceed shaver. All right, let's put that to the side real quick. Let's look at what else comes in the box. We do get the Xceed charging dock right here, as y'all can see. Check that out. So that is the charging dock from Gamma Plus. And then we got some accessories. Let's see what it comes with real quick. We get the screwdriver, as y'all know. We get a USB-C plug, and then we get, I guess, some more things for the shaver. We get different X's, so we can basically put the X on there a different color. We could put it green, orange, or black. Probably gonna black that thing out. And then we got pink, orange, and green in here for the bottom of the shaver, I believe. Yeah, this will be the bottom of the shaver. As you can see, it's got some ports for the charging dock and whatnot. So that's basically what comes with the shaver. Let's go ahead and move this to the side real quick. All right, so that's the shaver. Let's go ahead and get out the trimmer. The Gamma Xceed trimmer right here, professional trimmer with Into Vector Motor. So all of these tools do have a Vector motor. Me personally, I am a fan of Vector motors. I know a lot of people don't like the Vector motors. They say they get hot, they're too loud, but honestly, I like the way them things work, man. Like right now, my go-to clippers from Stylecraft and Gamma is the 360 GZ clipper and the Instinct X. So those are just my go-tos because I really like that motor. But let's go ahead and check out this trimmer. Into Vector Motor, intuitive torque control idles at 8,500 and speeds up to 11,500 RPMs, just like the shaver. Premium fixed X Pro black DLC blade, removable magnetic drop top, rear metal housing, USB-C rechargeable. Comes with 4 guards, the zero gapping tool, and then you can customize it however you want with the different X's and colors on there. So check it out. That's how it comes once you open up the box. Let's go ahead and get this trimmer out of here. So this is the Xceed trimmer. It has a blade cover, but I took it off when I opened it up. Check out, that is a trimmer. Looks a little fat, you know what I'm saying, to be honest with y'all, but doesn't feel too bad in the hand. And honestly, it's probably the same Yeah, it's about the same as the Sabres. So if you rock with the Sabres, you know, this isn't gonna feel too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Oh, it's super quiet. Man, for a vector motor, this thing is super quiet. I like that, man. I think we may have a new go-to trimmer. Check it out. I don't even know if y'all can hear it, but that thing is on, super, super quiet. That is the trimmer. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we also get, all right, so as you can see, we have the Xceed charger. It's a little bulkier than the regular chargers, but I get what they're doing here, man. That is the charger. We do get a box of accessories. Let's see what comes inside of the accessories for the trimmer. All right, so we're gonna open this thing up. So we do get some screws, a cleaning brush. We get some different types of X's to put on the lid as well. And then we have different covers for the side as well, because you can change the sides also. And then we have the magnetic gamma guards for the trimmer, the good zero gap setter, and I say the good one because the other one's good, but this one actually works really well. And then we get the shear, or I'm sorry, I wouldn't say the shear, but it's a screwdriver. And then I dropped this, but we also get the USB-C charging cord. So let's go ahead and throw that in there. Throw that back inside of the box. And then if you take this piece off, so I didn't do this on the last one, it might have the actual charger, but if you take this piece off, you get the actual charging cord for the shaver. But that's that. We're gonna move that to the side and keep it moving, because once again, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. But right here we got the Gamma Xceed clipper. So let's go ahead and open up this thing. Y'all know what it is. Like I said, I am excited. Can't wait to try these. Now the big question is, what am I gonna take off of my station so I can actually put these on my station? Because y'all know I got a lot of tools on my station. We're gonna have to see what we're gonna take off. But here is the Xceed Gamma Plus clipper. Same thing, professional clipper with N2 vector motor, 8500 and speeds up to 11,500 RPMs. Premium fixed Echo blade. I'm glad they put the Echo blade on there. Me personally, I really love that Echo blade. The Echo blade is my personal favorite blade from Stylecraft and Gamma. Removable magnetic drop top so you can take the lid off for easy cleaning. Customizable click or freestyle taper levers so you can take the clicks out if you want. Rear metal housing as well. USB-C rechargeable, 4 magnetic tight guards, and then you can customize the opponents of the clipper. So there's different things you can put on here to make it look different. So if you open it up, as you can see, we can run it all murdered out like that. We could do pink, orange, green, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could just mix and match how you want it to look. But that is basically how you can make it look. Let me get this clipper out of here. So here is the clipper. Check it out right there. And it's a small compact clipper. Check it out. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's probably about the same size as the trimmer, give or take. You know what I'm saying? So that's that right there. As y'all can see, that is the clipper. We got a click lever on there, an Echo blade, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. So as y'all can see, it is quiet. Like I said, we do got the click lever on there. As y'all can see, we have the Echo blade sitting on the clipper. Check it out. We got the charging port down here, USB-C charging, so however you want to charge it. But that is the clipper. Let's go back to looking at what else comes inside of the box. You know they had to give your boy the charger to go with the clipper. So check it out. That's how it sits inside of the charging dock. Shout out to Gamma, man. Y'all know what it is. Hey, real quick, if y'all want to purchase these, you can go to GammaPlusNA.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Save yourself some money. But let's go back and look at what else comes inside of this box. So we got a box for accessories. Let's open this up and see what comes in here. So in the accessory box, we get oil, brush, a different cam follower. We get these little things to customize it. We get the different color X's on there so y'all can customize it that way as well. And then we also get some tight guards, a different color lever. Check it out, they got a green lever on there. And then we also have a USB-C charging cord, a charging cord. I'm over here dropping stuff. But yeah, man, that's what comes in the accessories box. And then I'm pretty sure underneath that plastic, we're actually gonna have the actual charger. So let me check that out just so y'all can know. And I was right, you do get the actual charging cord underneath that. But y'all probably don't care about that, right? I'm pretty sure y'all just clicked on this video because y'all really want to see the tools. And I'm gonna show y'all these tools one more time. Check it out. The Gamma Xceed clipper, trimmer, and shaver bundle. Not sure exactly how much these things are going for, not sure how much they're gonna cost, but you can go to GammaPlusNA.com, use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself some money. But that's basically it for this video, man. We're gonna try these things out. Y'all know I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them, so y'all make sure to subscribe to the channel. But yeah, YouTube, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.